Hello everyone, welcome back to Tidy Study YouTube channel. And in today's video, let me show you how to calculate the Pearson correlation value using Microsoft Excel. At the last part, I will also reveal the trick that Microsoft Excel provides for us so we can power up our Pearson correlation analysis. Keep watching this video until the end. Pearson correlation is a statistical measurement that quantifies the strength and direction of the linear relationship between two continuous variables. It is denoted by the symbol R and range from -1 to 1. A correlation of 1 indicates a perfect positive linear relationship, and -1 indicates a perfect negative linear relationship, and 0 indicates no linear relationship. To measure the Pearson correlation value in Microsoft Excel, we have three options here that Microsoft Excel provides. The first one is by using the correl function. The second one is by using Pearson function. And the last one, this is the most interesting part, we can use the data analysis toolpak. Let's dive in one by one. In this example, I provide three variables: the parent's incomes, and the GPA, and also the math score. And we will calculate the correlation between the parent's income and the GPA, the parent's income and the math score, and also the correlation between the GPA and the math score. To use the correl functions, let's type equals correl and then open the brackets, and let's select the range of the first variable here, and then comma, and also select the range of the second variable. Okay, close the bracket and then type enter. Now we have the correlation value between the parent's income and also the GPA, and the value is 0.937, which means there is a very strong positive relationship between the parent's income and the GPA. If the parent's income goes up, also the GPA will goes up too, and if the parent's income goes down, the GPA will goes down too. Let's calculate the correlation value between another variable by using the correl function here. Okay, now parent's income with the math score, enter, and then the GPA between the math score by using the correl function. Great, now we have three correlation value that we calculate by using the correl function, and you can interpret this value. And also, for the second method that we can use to calculate the correlation value is by using the Pearson functions. Here, let's type equal Pearson, and then open the bracket, select the range of the variable that we want to calculate, select the first one here, and then comma, also select the range of the second variable. Okay, close the bracket and then click enter. Notice that we have the same correlation value that is produced by the Pearson function and also by the correl function. Let's calculate the last two correlation value by using the Pearson function. Okay, open the bracket, the parent's income and also the math score, and also the GPA with the math score. Great, this is the function that SPSS provides, so we can use to calculate the correlation easily. Another question is, if we have large datasets that contains much variable, let's say we have 10 or 20 variables, should we calculate the correlation value one by one by typing these functions? Actually, it's not. SPSS also provides the advanced options, so we can calculate many variables for the correlation value easily by instance click. And the output will produce the correlation matrix, so we can see the relationship between the variables easily. To produce it, you need to install a special add-in named Data Analysis Toolpak here. I already provide the video how to install it, but let me show you in brief. Go to File, Options, and then at the bottom click Add-ins and Manage Add-ins here, click Go, and then you need to check the Analysis Toolpak here. And then at the data menu, the data analysis options will appear at the right side of your bar. And then you can click it, then select the correlation options here. Click OK. And then for the input range, select the range of the data that we want to measure. Let's select from B1 to D16 cell. I can also include the variables name here, and then it's grouped by column. And because we include the labels in the range of the data, you need to check the labels in first row. So Excel will exclude the variable names in the calculation. And for the output range, I can click it here and then select the output range at the G8 cells, okay? And then click OK. Great, congratulations. Now we have the correlation matrix between these three variables that is provided by Microsoft Excel. And imagine you have 10 variables, you will have about 10 rows and 10 columns here by matrix display, and it will be easier for us to interpret and see the correlation between the variables. Let me tidy up the variables first, and you can see the GPA and the parents' income. The correlation value is 0.937. It's the same thing that's produced by correl function and the Pearson function. And it's the same thing for the another variables. For the math score and the parents' income, the correlation value is 0.911. It's the same value that is produced by correl and the Pearson function, and so on. That's it. That's all you need to know about calculating the Pearson correlation value using Microsoft Excel. See you in the next video.